Hey guys, this is JD Vay with Hoppe Industries down in Trude, Texas, bringing you our newest product out of our R&D department. We have a new Hoppe Audio Mini for the sportier models. This one's for the Polaris RZRs, okay, 2 and 4 door. Due to the hugely successful launch of the Hoppe Audio Mini for all of the utility vehicles we've launched it for so far, we've had a lot of people requesting the minis for other applications, and so here we are. We're going to have several launches back to back to back here, just continuing to come out with new products all the time. So here is our Audio Mini for the Polaris RZRs, 2 and 4 door. It comes with our kicker KMC2 head unit as always. It has 4 6-inch kicker speakers, the great sound that you come to know from Hoppe and kicker combined. You got the dome light as always. And the other part about it is just the true ease of install here. I mean, you're talking 30 minutes if you've never done it before, 15 minutes pretty much if you have. You have 2 CNC brackets on the sides. They bolt right up to the chassis. Clamp those on. Each bracket on the RZRs has a slot in it, so you can move this up and down about an inch. So if you want different clearances or getting around things, it makes it very easy to install. Then you just take our harness that we provide in every kit, run it right down the A-post, plug it right in the firewall, and you're done. It's really that simple. It's distortion-free sound, non-amplified, retail price of only $800. It's true plug and play, and you get that great kicker audio sound, and combined with the Hoppe engineers that make everything fit, finish, and go that way, and make sure we get every ounce of sound out of those audio products as much as humanly possible. We want you to stay tuned. We got a lot of new products coming. So we've got this one for the RZR. Directly behind it, we've got new products coming for the Kawasaki KRX. We've got them for the Honda Talons coming. So several more models. There's more behind that. I'm not going to talk about those yet. We've got new audio shades coming as well. So we've got several of those. We've got 3 of them in process right now. We're just going to keep coming out with new products all the time. We really appreciate you watching and paying attention to what we're doing. Continue to watch us on our social media pages. Continue to watch us on our website. We have all of our new products launching all the time. And we're just really excited about the future and what we keep launching. And we appreciate you watching. Thanks.